Okay, I'm sharing some beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs today, as in not much experience is needed for these little gems, and they're not call centers. So let's get right into them. The first job I'm sharing is with the company Assembly.health. They have an opening for an SNF tracker. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on the job description nor on the application. Now this job does involve some customer service work, but you're also going to do a whole lot of data entry. So you work closely with residents and their families to establish a viable payer source beginning from date of entry throughout the resident's stay. You do a whole lot of data entry and escalate growing balances and or unresolved time-sensitive issues. You'll ensure facilities are operating according to procedure and compliance while maintaining timely communication with directors, administrators, and staff regarding potential issues at the facilities. So this is a good opportunity if you have some experience working with nursing home facilities and Medicaid applications. It's a plus you have experience with NCS, Matrix Care, and or PCC. And then, of course, they want you to have all your typical soft skills you need for just about every job. And when it comes to the salary at the bottom of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $25 to $29 per hour. Now, I'm going to scroll down to the application because they do ask a few questions. How many years of experience do you have supporting skilled nursing long-term care facilities? Do you have experience completing and submitting Medicaid applications, including Medicaid pending and follow-up? And do you have experience with one of the following systems: PCC, Matrix Care, NCS, David Klein? So depending on how you answer these questions will determine if your resume gets through the ATS system. So our next beginner-friendly work-from-home job is with the company Carrington Mortgage. This one is for a default invoice coordinator level 1. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. No location restrictions that I can find anywhere on the job description nor on the application. And in this job, you'll review vendor invoices for approval and ensure that all invoices are assessed within the applicable agency and or company agreed upon allowable amounts. You'll perform various reconciliation procedures to ensure all invoices are valid and accurately processed for actual work completed. So yep, this job is all about reviewing and processing invoices and ensuring compliance with agency and company allowable amount. You review all supporting documentation and invoices in a timely manner. You'll also resolve any discrepancies with vendors regarding invoices submitted while keeping up to date on all FHA, VA, USDA, PMI, FNMA, and FHLMC servicing requirement and revisions. So if you're familiar with Microsoft Office applications and you have a high school diploma or equivalent, check out this opportunity. They prefer you have some college education. They prefer you have 6 months to 1 year billing and invoicing experience. And they also prefer you have default mortgage servicing experience. And those 3 preferences are just preferred. They're not required. But if you do have any of those preferences, make sure to include them on your resume. Now, if you like this job, you need to get your application in by May 15th, 2026. And at the top of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $18 to $21 per hour. So our last beginner-friendly work-from-home job is with the company Honk. This one is for a logistics coordinator. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. And we can see on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you $18 to $19 per hour. And this is a very entry-level opportunity for anyone looking for a work-from-home job doing logistics. So your responsibilities will include ensuring the timely and efficient delivery of vehicles with a particular emphasis on secondary services and other logistics-related tasks, including chats and calls. You'll manage and oversee service completion, ensuring all assignments are executed seamlessly and effectively. So your main focus in this job is logistics-related admin work, and you also do some customer service. What you're going to do is coordinate vehicle deliveries and logistic assignments, including resolving escalations and maintaining communication with stakeholders. You'll manage inbound calls, tasks, chats, and other critical functions pertinent to the logistics team. You'll identify problems, propose solutions, and work effectively with team members while providing level 2 support to specialists, including taking escalated calls and overseeing services when necessary. So yeah, you are going to do some customer service work, but you're not going to be tied to the phone all day in this position. You're going to do a lot of administrative related work. So if you have experience in a customer-facing environment resolving issues over the phone and you can exhibit exceptional empathy and understanding, this might be a really good opportunity for you. To work from home for this job, you need a secluded, uninterrupted workspace and a pretty decent internet connection. And again, they tell us they'll pay you $18 to $19 per hour. So hopefully one of these work from home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for more easy work from home jobs that'll provide you with a free computer, you can find some in this video right here. So thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.